Your number one RC information source, rccaraction.com.
Tower Hobbies, the world's premier supplier of radio control, is offering you an exclusive deal. For a limited time, save $15 off your next order of $125 or more. So hurry to towerhobbies.com today and punch in ad number 01508. Go to towerhobbies.com today.
All right, so we're in the Thunder Tiger booth. We're checking out their new Innovator Helicopter. As you can see behind me, it's very stable. It comes with lithium polymer batteries. It comes with the radio, charger, and it's completely ready to fly. You just have to finish charging the battery and it's ready to go. You can see by me pushing it away how stable it is. It's pretty impressive. The Innovator Helicopter has this unique battery system that just simply slides in, you stick it in, you push it up, and the helicopter's ready to go.
Your number one RC information source, rccaraction.com.